What if I told you that some of the world's most successful businesses started in someone's garage or even at a garage sale? Today I'm going to share the inspiring story of Maria, a woman who turned old clothes into a multi-million-dollar fashion empire, and reveal the lessons you can use to build your own success. Maria grew up in a small town, struggling to make ends meet. Her family didn't have much, but she had one thing no one could take away: her creativity. She loved transforming thrift store finds into stylish outfits, but never imagined it could become more than just a hobby. One day, while cleaning out her attic, Maria found boxes of vintage clothing her grandmother had left behind. Instead of throwing them away, she decided to sell a few pieces at a local garage sale. To her surprise, people loved the unique designs, and she made $200 in just one afternoon. Encouraged, Maria started sourcing second-hand clothes from thrift stores and selling them online. But it wasn't easy. She barely broke even after covering shipping costs, and there were days when she wondered if it was all worth it. Maria's big break came when she posted a photo of one of her refurbished jackets on Instagram. A popular fashion blogger noticed it and shared it with her followers. Overnight, Maria's inbox flooded with orders. Suddenly, her little side hustle turned into a full-time business. But as demand grew, Maria realized she couldn't keep up alone. So she hired her first employee, learned how to run ads on social media, and eventually launched her own line of sustainable, eco-friendly apparel. Today, Maria's brand is sold in stores worldwide, and she's become a voice for sustainability in the fashion industry. What started as a simple idea to turn forgotten clothes into treasures has grown into a global movement, and the best part, it all began with a single decision to start. So what can we learn from Maria's journey? Here are 5 practical takeaways you can use to build your own success. 1. Start with what you have. You don't need fancy tools or investors. Use the resources already available to you. 2. Leverage your unique strengths. Identify what sets you apart and lean into it. 3. Be willing to adapt. Stay open to change and be ready to pivot when necessary. 4. Scale strategically. Focus on steady growth rather than overnight success. 5. Tell your story. People buy from brands they believe in. Share your why and let it guide everything you do. If Maria's story inspired you, leave a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you already have that could become the foundation of your business? And don't forget to subscribe for more stories and practical tips to help you succeed as an entrepreneur. Until next time, remember, every empire starts with a single decision to begin.